We've been walking around Koh Tao. We went to Hing Wong. Yesterday we were at Leuk, and today this is Janson Bay. I like the rafts.
Sai Nuan Beach on Koh Tao in Thailand.
The resort here is called Siam Cookies.
On Koh Tao Island.
We made it back to the water. It's been kind of a long, hot hike. George is already in the water, so we've seen a lot of places today. Today we walked almost around half of Koh Tao. We started in Sairee Beach, we went to Janson Bay, to Sai Nuan Beach 1 and 2, all the way over here to Chalok, and then now we're here in Chalok Bay. It's a beautiful day on a beautiful island.